Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share one of your posts from X, formerly known as Twitter, with friends, colleagues, or on another platform, but weren't sure how to grab the direct link on your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest updates, the process is quick and straightforward, so let's walk through it together. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on your profile to access your posts. This will bring up your timeline, where you can scroll through and find the post you want to share. Once you've found the post, look just below it for the share icon. On X, this icon usually appears as an upward-pointing arrow or a small box with an arrow coming out of it. Click on this share icon to open a menu of sharing options. In the menu that appears, you'll see several choices, but what you're looking for is the option that says Copy Link. Click on Copy Link, and just like that, the direct link to your post is copied to your computer's clipboard. Now, you can paste this link wherever you want, whether it's in a message, an email, or another social media platform. The person who receives the link will be able to click on it and go straight to your post on X. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily share any of your posts from X on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand navigating the new updates. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.